Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to upload video on TikTok without losing quality. So first you just have to launch your TikTok application and then make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Next is you have to click this profile at the bottom right corner and tap this three lines at the top right corner. So once you tap this one, then you have to click this settings and privacy and you have to scroll down and look for the option that says data saver. Now you have to make sure that this one is turned off because if you turn this one on, then it will reduce your data consumption, especially when you're using cellular data. So videos may be at lower resolution if you turn this one on. So once this one is turned off, you can now upload your video, imported video from your gallery. And then once done, what you want to do is to click next. Okay. Now here under the settings, you may see more options. If you can see it right here, then you will see it once you tap next. Now under more options, you will see there a feature that says allow high quality uploads, but I don't have that option right here. I don't know why, but if you have or if you do have on your TikTok, all you have to do is to toggle that one on. You will see there an option. You just have to turn it one on because you will see there an option that says higher quality videos may take a longer process. So it will take a little bit longer, but the quality is totally okay. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.